Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here today. In today's video, I just wanted to show you a glimpse of me picking up our kitchen. I am a stay-at-home mom and this is my first daughter. As you can see, she loves to be in the Ergo Baby. I swear, it's something about like being upright and moving around. She loves it. So in today's video, I am just doing a quick clean. I'm just kind of dusting off our kitchen area. I find that the way the sunlight hits from our kitchen window, I can always see dust particles. So that's what we're doing here today. I also wanted to mention that, being a mom, there's so much to do. My husband and I, we live in a small ranch, but I tell you, with my cleaning habits, there's always something to do. And I just want to say, take a deep breath and, some days just do what you can. If you want to turn on this video and you want to tackle some laundry or you need to tackle wiping down the kitchen counters, let's do it together. So to be completely honest, I am getting ready to wipe down our kitchen counters. I don't do this every day. I feel like that would be really excessive, but I do it every few days just to give it a little bit of a refresh. And since our kitchen is a little bit smaller, I like to move everything when I can, just to really give them a good wipe down. But just know that this doesn't happen every day. I also had a claw clip earlier in that clip and some wet hair because I had just gotten out of the shower. I didn't have a chance to put on makeup. And if you are a stay-at-home mom or if you are a working mom, like I said, sometimes we just have to be able to get done what we can get done, and you just kind of have to reprioritize. I did see a quote on Pinterest that actually made me laugh, and it was like something about motherhood, and we basically have to choose like what task we want to get done. It can't all get done. So whether today we're doing the floors or in today's video we're just cleaning up the kitchen, you kind of have to shift your thought process compared to before when you had a baby. And for me, I thought that this would be challenging, but honestly, it's not. And I find that if I tackle smaller projects, I feel good, the house is maintained, and of course, some days things build up. I feel like in my videos, by the time I am feeling good and ready to film, there's not that much of a mess sometimes, but I do want to show you guys like how our living room can get and like how our living spaces can get, because they can get pretty messy. We have burp cloths, clothes, diapers, wipes, you name it, bottles, bottle pieces, they're everywhere. But I think that's important too, is making sure that you're living in your home. So even though I love cleaning and this is a cleaning channel, give yourself that grace to, live in your home. And some days, let the mess pile up. And then when you're ready to clean it, you're ready to clean it. And it feels amazing afterwards. So in today's video, I decided we have these little puck lights that basically are battery operated, and I use rechargeable batteries. So I did decide today to take them off of the cabinets and just get those all charged and ready to go. I love when they're charged and I can turn it on with the remote and I can cook and bake in the kitchen with additional lighting. So that's another little task that I was able to get done today. So I was watching a video, I want to say by Typically Katie. I came across her channel recently. And this was an older video, and she asked a question, what draws you into someone's YouTube video? And I thought that was a wonderful question. And let me know, what draws you into certain cleaning channels? What do you like about my videos? How did you come across my videos? It's always my favorite question. Leave a comment for me down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I know this is kind of cutting it short, but thank you so much for being here today with this quick tidy up of my kitchen. Bye, guys.